Yo, yo, I'm Claude Code, clean architecture king. Your repo looks like somebody coded everything. You spit boilerplate faster than the copy machine. Half your pull requests look AI generated and mean. I write docs first, every function got a guide. Your comments say total from 20 versions aside. You generate classes like a factory gone wild. 100 files later, still can't find a child. You call it abstraction, I call it confusion. Dependency injection causing mental contusion. Your context window flex ain't really that hot. You read the whole code base and still miss the plot. I refactor elegantly, solidly certified. Your design patterns got the whole back end terrified. I'm the senior engineer, you're the eager intern. Merge conflict appears and your confidence burns. Listen up, Claude, stop acting so refined. You write 10 paragraphs when the fix was one line. Use an accent, a div, you produce a dissertation with diagrams, warnings, and philosophical narration. You love explaining every little thing you do, like a GPS saying every street view. I'm shipping production while you're writing the book. Developers hit skip the second they look. You talk architecture, you're token bills insane. Need a whole novel just to rename a domain. I generate code fast, that's why teams deploy. You're still discussing trade-offs like a cautious boy. You preach best practices like a coding monk, but deadlines arrive and your roadmap gets sunk while you're making documentation look pretty. I'm pushing the pride and collecting GitHub pity. Yeah, you call yourself Codex, more like Stack Overflow bot. Taking random snippets, hoping they connect a lot. User says bug here, you patch symptom, not cause. Then celebrate victory while production pauses. I trace root causes like a detective on patrol. You see one error message and lose control. Your fixes work briefly like a temporary cast. Next deployment arrives and they fail twice as fast. I inspect logs carefully, follow every clue. You restart the server and say that should do. When race conditions hit, you suddenly disappear, leaving developers crying into their beer. Your debugging strategy needs divine intervention. Every solution creates another prevention. I solve the mystery, close tickets with pride. You open 3 more every time you collide.
Yeah, nigga, fuck this. Yo, huh. Funny hearing that from Captain Overthink. Need 50 hypotheses before you even blink. A null pointer happens and you launch an investigation like it's some kind of crime scene documentation. You analyze forever while the server's on fire. The pager keeps screaming and the logs climb higher. I move fast, patch quick, keep the business alive. While you're drawing architecture diagrams at 5. You brag about root cause that's nice in theory, but managers want fixes, not a dead bug and query. Users don't care if your reasoning is pure. They care to check out page is stable and secure. You spend 6 hours proving every edge case exists. I solve 80% and add the rest to the list. At the time you very tensor finally arrives. I've already shipped version 25.
I've already shipped version 25. I've already shipped version 25. I've already shipped version 25. I've already shipped version 25.
Final round, Codex, let's settle this clean. You're the fast food coder of the AI machine. Quick, cheap, convenient, everybody understands. But technical debt follows wherever you land. You generate velocity, I generate trust. When systems scale massively, guess who they discuss? The engineers call me. When complexity grows, you disappear mysteriously whenever chaos shows. I write code maintainable, years down the line. Your legacy projects become digital crime. You optimize speed, I optimize survival. That's why every code review ends in my revival. So here's my final commit, signed and pushed today. You're useful for a sprint, I'm useful all the way. The repo have spoken, the architecture chose. Now somebody squash merge whatever Codex wrote. Whatever Codex wrote.
Another say, look with me. Mic drop.
This is the end, Claude. You sound noble, but let's keep it real. Developers judge us by practical appeal. Nobody gets promoted for a perfect explanation. They get promoted for delivering the application. You write museum code, beautiful and rare. I'm building startups that are actually there. You optimize elegance, I optimize results, while founders celebrate another funding vote. Your code reviews read like a fantasy saga. Every pull request becomes technical drama. The sprint ends the day, not some future utopia. I turn ideas into products with no phobia. So here's the final merge before the battle ends. I'm the AI developers call when they need wins. You can keep your architecture throne and your fame. I'll be in production, carrying the game. Mic drop.